morning, Alano B, the billionaire. It has been a very, very busy morning. So look at how I'm looking. Very, very busy. First of all, I have been from the other field doing other stuffs that involves sugarcane. And this particular morning, because we don't have time, and Monday being a holiday, we want to make sure that this field receives this. This is urea. This is from the government, and you can see 46 nitrogen. This is what we're putting in here. Mostly after this, I'll be going to do foliar after we finish supplying urea here. I'm going to do foliar. So what we're just going to do is give these maize, each and every maize, it's 2 elements, and we have to be quick because of time. Because of time, we have to be quick. We are going to do 2 acres today, then we call it a day, and I think it has been a very, very busy day for me. But a few things to highlight, you guys. I'm so grateful because my channel is picking up. You guys are giving me subscribers, you're giving me watch time, and I hope in future when we have enough audience, I will just give you a journey of how to invest in sugarcane and maize, because this one will be targeting not these big farms. These are just 2 acres, 1 acre, 5 acres up to 10 acres. Then I will also tell you how to scale from 10 acres to maybe 20 when I get there. But for now, this is what we're going to do right now. Urea in this, then I think we call it a day. Then we have other fields that they are doing weeding. I'll show you. So today the tasks today were: 1, make sure that there are cuttings, there are canes that were they did the harvest. Those ones were to be transported. Then we come to this supply urea. Then there's a field that they are weeding, and I think they're almost done. Then we call it a Monday. We take a break on weeding, and we look for money so that we can get enough fertilizer for this crop. For now, peace. Alano be the billionaire. Bye.